Today we are going to take a look at this AI Box Ultra from One Car Stereo. Simply connect the CarPlay AI Box Ultra, and your car's screen will instantly transform into an Android system. Connect to Wi-Fi, download your favorite apps, and stream media will be easy. Get any app you want from the Google Play Store or App Pure. YouTube, Disney, Netflix, TikTok. Watch videos with zero audio delay for the ultimate streaming experience. You can even use two apps in split screen mode for added convenience. Or play games in car. The AI Box Ultra isn't just for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it's got wireless screen mirroring and tons of other cool features waiting for you to check out.